Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys talkback full setting. So in this video friends we will talk about guys what is talkback and how to use talkback on any Android phone, any Realme mobile. So guys, without waste time guys, we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on additional setting. After on guys additional setting, you can see this type of interface. Friends, first you can see your language setting. Friends, you want to change any language, click on add language, and friends, which language you want to use, select and you can change guys. Friends, you want to change phone date and time, so you can change guys your phone date and time from here guys. Friends, click on accessibility setting. After I select first talkback setting, so when we click on talkback, friends, you want to use talkback, so I tap here and guys your talkback will on your Realme phone. Friends, after on talkback how to use, so friends, click on one tap your back button and guys continue to tap. One tap and two tap friends, you can back. Same guys, you want to close app, one tap, double tap, and guys two finger you can close app, one finger guys you cannot close app, so two finger we can close app. So friends, you can use your talkback setting with your two finger guys, one finger guys you cannot use your Realme phone. Friends, you can see I cannot swipe, I cannot on any setting. So as you want to on settings, so you will have to one tap and double tap to on phone setting guys, and you can scroll with two finger. One finger you cannot use. Close app friends, one tap, double tap, two finger you can close app. So as a person who is blind guys, they use talkback setting because guys they cannot see, so they use with sound. Friends, you can see YouTube sound, YouTube. So guys they double click on YouTube. So guys they on YouTube and they operate YouTube app. So like that they use talkback setting. So friends, you want to use, so you can on, friends you can use with two finger. So friends, again scroll, you want to off talkback, so how to turn off talkback, let's see. Click on phone setting and guys continue to tap. Friends, scroll it with two finger, don't use one finger friends. Additional setting friends, one tap and get double tap here. Friends, you can see language setting, date and time setting. Friends, click on accessibility and double tap here. Talkback is on, friends, double tap here, double tap here, stop, double tap. Friends, your talkback will off on your Realme phone, and guys now you can use your phone with your one finger. Easily friends, now you can use your phone without any talkback. So like that guys, we can use talkback setting on Realme phone. So that's it guys, bye bye.